Welcome to this tutorial on using vlookup function in Microsoft Excel. These functions are powerful tools for searching and retrieving data in a spreadsheet. So let's start with vlookup function. Objective: use vlookup to find a specific value in a table. I have a table opened in Microsoft Excel with person names in column A and their corresponding donations in column B and their passing year in column C. In an empty cell, type the vlookup formula as shown in the spreadsheet. In this I am trying to find the amount donated by each person. Name the value you are searching for. Select the table range or table array where Excel should search. 2. The column index from which to retrieve the result. False. Exact match is required. In this tutorial, we've covered the basics of using vlookup function in Excel. This tool is essential for efficiently retrieving data from large datasets. Feel free to practice with different datasets to master these functions.